Hi, my name is Eris. I am the founder of Eris Foundation, which originally started as Eris Atelier. Then we now became Eris LEATHERCRAFT, and now we are in Eris Foundation. And I have been gone for, let me see, the last time I posted was, July 30th. I am so sorry for my very long hiatus. But I don't know. I just didn't want to shut down the channel because I still feel there's a lot of potential here. And even though it originally started as just a tutorial channel, but over the years, it sort of transitioned into different things from just learning how to make bags. Then I think I did a few videos on like tips on bag business. And I don't know. Okay, so confession time. First thing is the way I started it. So I started it as a hobby. Then I started making videos. So I now ran into some difficulties when it was now time to make it a business because it was something that started out of necessity for me. I just wanted to do something with my hands. So when I started making bags, I was like, oh, this seems fun. I really do like this craft. And let me just sort of like pursue leather craft as it is. So then I worked on my skills, got a bit better. Then I started posting videos on the craft itself. But after a while, since this was something that I did not like really sit down, like weigh the pros and the cons, I sort of just went with the flow. So wherever the river took me, I went there. And fast forward a few years down the line, I now started having this feeling that I should be doing something else with my life. And when I hit the milestone of leathercraft, I think those were one of the first few moments that I had to like make decisions for myself. But as I did that, I mean, I don't think it's like the worst thing that happened to me or like a huge mistake because everything I learned in my leathercraft period, I still apply them to whatever I'm doing right now because I quit bag making and I went on to photography and videography. So I had to make the hard decision. That's all the things I'm saying. I just had to make a difficult decision in deciding that eventually I'm going to have to transition to something else. And I would want it to be something that I would be able to do long term, something that can take me to different places because I want to see the world. I wanted to do something that I can apply myself directly into. So who I am as a person, my creative choices, just all stuff that I like. And that was something I couldn't really do in leathercraft. I mean, because of the 1,000,001 limitations that I had to deal with, just being in Nigeria, even just getting materials is already a hassle. So what I want to do with you today is I want you to meet me halfway. I don't want the Eris Foundation to end, but I want you to meet me halfway. I still think that I have a lot of knowledge to share. I had a conversation with my friend the other day. She's also a bag maker. She's still making like really lovely pieces. And we sort of decided that, okay, yeah, you know what? I mean, I've done a few sit-down videos in the past, but I could actually make it like podcast style, like not just sit down, put light up, like it's going to be like a series. And I'm like, oh yeah, we could do that, like business banter. I mean, technically, I'm still in the creative industry. It's just that I don't deal with leathers and needles and sewing machines, but we could still talk about the business side of things because everything I learned as a bag maker, I still apply them. Mistakes I used to make back then, I took all that wisdom that I learned the hard way and I applied it to my photography and videography. So I actually have like a photography studio right now and we're about to expand. And maybe that's why these thoughts sort of just like pile on each other. And I'm like, okay, I think I can actually do this now because right now it's just like one small space that I'm using for my photography business. But I'm like, you know what? I could actually expand this to not just like influencers and content creators. I could actually still bring my original people because trust me, this is where my life started from. I could also bring you guys in. So it's going to be like a multiple, how would you describe it? So it's going to be photography, videography, content creation. So spaces where we could hold like workshops, we'd have rooms where we could have like podcasts. And in these rooms, we could now talk of like the business side of things. So the business banter, I think it has a lot of potential, but I don't know what you think about it. So if there's anything you would actually like to see in this channel from here on out, you can actually just put in the comment section. I am all ears because I need I need your opinion on this too. So the business banter, like I've said, is already going to be one thing. We're going to have like CSR. So like what I used to do in the past with Kim Dave, where we do like grants or like some kind of financial support for creatives, because now I'm not just focusing on leathercraft, it's going to be creatives across the board. So if you work with your hands, like you can bring any idea to life, then yes, you are going to be included in our schemes now. So it's not just for bag makers, shoemakers, or seamstress, or garment makers, or so it's going to be like open to all. Yes, since now I'm a photographer and videographer, so on the content creation side of things, I think I should now have more stuff to say about it. So how to shoot your products. So we could even hold like really cool like master classes or shooting sessions. I really like those. Like photography is awesome. But we could have like workshops or like 1-day master classes for you guys on product or brand shoots. So if you have products and we could like do, I don't know, like this sounds like a really cool. No, I'm saying this if I'm really excited about it. Because this our new space is going to be able to accommodate all these things. I want to bring you guys in, so it's not like I just walked into the sunset and you guys never saw me again. So I just want us to meet halfway. Yeah, and something that I used to do before, but I actually want to bring it back, which is like the vendor, like visiting vendors or other creators going to their studios. And thankfully now I've been able to work on my visual production skills. So it's something that I would like to bring into. So I would like to continue, but just like with a more standardized, instead of just like walking around with like a phone or a pocket cam, but like a proper production on visiting these spaces and even having chats with like people that have been in the industry for decades. So yeah, this new era is something that I'm actually like really excited for. And I think the lesson I have learned in the past 1 year, I think it feels like more than 1 year, but it's something that I just had to be honest with myself and just make the difficult decision. Like I literally went from someone who could make like decent pieces of leather items to starting from ground zero. And in the beginning it was terrifying because I was like, what if I'm not very good at it? But I'm like, you know what? I think I have enough stubbornness to double down and be like, I must learn something new. And that was how I sort of just decided to start over. I had to double down and really lock in. And the last few months have been one of the most amazing periods in my life. I'm not saying it's easy, but it's just knowing that I'm doing something that will take me to where I want to go to. Yes, it does feel better. I want to be able to like roam the earth. I think that's how extreme it is for me. Okay, last thing now is that we have now finally closed our tutorials, unless it's someone else that's going to be taking it, not me. I sold on my sewing machines to start my new business. But unless it's someone that's taking the class, it's not going to be me. I am no longer a bag maker. Eris got bored. And we're now going to switch to a vlog / podcast shooting style. Yeah. So that's what going to be from now on. Thank you so much for all the support, for all the messages. I still get DMs on Instagram. I always feel so guilty because I feel like I just evaded the country and I ran away. But I'm still here. I'm still alive. And hopefully this new one goes better because it's more tailored to like my current life already. So if you want to collaborate, or if you have like a studio space in Lagos and you want to do like a studio visit, or more importantly, if you're a vendor and you sell like materials for crafts, so now it's open to every business. It could be leather, it could be dressmaking. I'm actually opening the doors to everyone. Everyone is welcome in the Eris Foundation. We are widening our niche and our target audience. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for all the love and all the support. And I will see you soon. Bye.